Hi there. I'm Karen from the Tips team, and welcome to another after school tech tip. Today, we're going to explore a whole suite of tools, all using AI. Let's check it out. FutureTools.io is a database that's curated using new AI tools, which is updated all the time. This database has the ability to filter for different types of applications you want to try out or explore and learn about. It really captures the whole diversity rainbow of AI tools. This specific site, futuretools.io, is curated by Matt Wolf. Let's take a look at some of the filtering categories we have available to us. We can filter by license type, so some of these tools are still free. Some have a limit, like Dolly does, where you'd have to pay after a certain number of uses. Some are fully paid, some are in beta, some are open source because they're for sharing. So there's lots of opportunities to find ones we like. I'm going to filter today by Matt's picks. By clicking that, we can narrow down our total of AI tools. And let's take a look what Matt's looking at and sharing as he creates content about these new AI features. This one looks interesting. Let's check out animated drawings. This animated drawings tool has a debrief in the Future Tools database where it talks about what it does, what its tags are, and then how it can be used. From this database, we can launch and go into the program. Here we are in animated drawings. This specific tool is presented by Meta, so we know who made it. It tells us what it does, and this specific tool will bring a child's drawing to life by animating a character to move around. So we can get started and take a look at how it works. In this specific tool, we have options to have one character that's drawn on a background that has limbs, and we can try a sample drawing just to show you what it looks like. So let's take a look at a princess. Here's our princess. We captured it using the box. It's telling us to resize it to make sure it tightly fits the character. When I go next, we have our AI magic scanning to make sure the character is great and separate it from the background. Once we see that we have all the limbs attached and connected, now we have our joints option. So by telling the computer where the joints are in our drawing, we can animate so that the arms and legs and head bend in the right way. When you hover over a joint, it'll tell you which one it is. Lastly, our animation appears. So here's the character that someone drew, and now she's come to life. We can change how she's behaving by having preset options available where the joints bend. Way to go, princess. It may be really exciting to upload a drawing of a student in your class and bring it to life. If this drawing has any identifiable personal information on it, it's not a very good idea to share that outside of the classroom. When we take a look at the bottom left of this screen and look at About This Demo, we have some more information about this tools. Each tool that you use on the web should have a community guidelines, a terms of service, terms of use, a privacy policy. All these have clues to whether or not it's okay to use them safely and with confidence. In this About This demo, we can scroll down and see how it works, who made it, what happens. In this section, it says, when you upload an image of your child's drawing, we'll retain the image for a short period of time, and then it's going to be deleted. But you have the option to provide it to the public data set. For teachers, maybe we don't need to have that go public. We also note in this information about this specific tool that there's no association with the name, a child's name, any kind of metadata that will go along with the image. So this tells us that personally identifiable information is not linked to what we're generating. If you're going to decide to leverage and use the tool and contribute your drawing, by contributing the drawing and allowing it to go public, this tool is communicating what you're doing for that. Remember, AI has to be trained. And so when we play with these tools, we're also adding to the training. And by exploring these community guidelines, terms of service, as well as privacy policy, you can make an informed decision. I hope you enjoy exploring the different tools available on futuretools.io. And make sure that we're doing this with careful consideration. Follow the third-party apps process whenever we're dealing with students creating an account or sharing student personal information with a company that has a tool available for use. Explore those community guidelines, terms of use, as well as privacy policies to see if there's anything amiss so that you can use new tools with confidence with your students or perhaps just on behalf of them. Thanks for joining me today. Check out tips.epsb.ca for more information. Bye for now.